Right, for this next question from Chapter 4, we address the topic of division, polynomial division. In an ideal situation, you would be using synthetic division. But here, this problem, the thing we're dividing by is a quadratic. So therefore, we cannot use synthetic division. The condition for using synthetic division is that it has to be a linear factor. So to do long division, we do a trial divisor. So x squared goes into x to the fourth, x squared times. And it's very important that we stay organized in our columns with degree. Everything in the same column has to be the same degree, otherwise it won't add up. So x squared times x squared is x to the fourth, which is what we wanted. X squared times 3 is 3x squared. Now this is where that column consciousness that I was discussing comes in. X squared times 3, 3x squared needs to go here, not here. So 3x squared. I draw my line, I change the signs, and I combine. These two combine to 0, which is what we wanted from our division algorithm. Then we're going to have negative 5x cubed. 5x squared and minus 3x squared is going to give me 2x squared. And I have a sneaking suspicion that I'll need this 13x. So I'll just bring that down. The 7 can stay where it is, or if you wanted to, you could bring it down. So now we ask, how many times does x squared go into negative 5x cubed? And it goes in negative 5x times. So negative 5x times x squared is negative 5x cubed. Again, a success because that will cancel. Now negative 5x times 3 is going to give us negative 15x. So that needs to go in the x column. So we draw our line, change our signs, and combine. This is going to be 0. The 2x squared will carry. Negative 13x and 15x is 2x. And then we carry down the 7. So now x squared plus 3 goes into this. X squared goes into 2x squared 2 times. 2 times x squared plus 3 is going to give me 2x squared. 2 times 3 is going to give me 6. Draw the line, change the signs, and combine. I'm going to get 0 here, 2x here, and 1 here. So my remainder, because I can't divide any further, x squared doesn't go into 2x. I've decreased all the way down to a constant, so I'm done with the division part. I just need to write my remainder. My remainder is 2x minus 1 over x squared plus 3. So the result of this division is x squared minus 5x plus 2 plus 2x minus 1 over x squared plus 3.